Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bricks for landscaping. First, carefully plan your project by deciding on the design and purpose, whether it's a patio, walkway, or border. Accurately measure your area to estimate the number of bricks needed, adding about 10% for cuts and breakage. Select bricks suitable for outdoor use, considering durability and aesthetic appeal. Finally, gather all your tools, like a shovel, level, and rubber mallet, before you begin. Next, prepare your site by excavating the area to the required depth, usually 6 to 8 inches for patios or walkways. Ensure the ground is perfectly level and compact the soil firmly using a hand tamper or plate compactor. Lay down a base layer of crushed gravel, about 2 to 4 inches thick, to provide excellent drainage. Finally, place a high-quality landscape fabric over the gravel to suppress weeds effectively. Now, it's time to lay your bricks. Start from a fixed point, like a wall or a straight edge, and work your way across. Use a string line stretched taut between stakes to guide your rows and keep them perfectly straight. Gently tap each brick into the sand base with a rubber mallet to ensure a snug fit and proper alignment. Continuously check your work with a level to maintain an even and stable surface throughout the project. For the final touches, spread polymeric sand over your newly laid bricks. Sweep the sand into all the joints, ensuring they are completely filled, then use a broom to remove any excess from the brick surfaces. Lightly mist the entire area with water to activate the polymeric sand, which will harden and lock the bricks in place. Allow it to cure for at least 24 hours, then enjoy your beautiful, durable brick landscaping for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.